May Spihunasan, Tax 3, Community of Society Healthy, Student of Learning, Society of Skill of Service, Introduction, Practical, Customizable Tools and Resources for Local Health Departments in Central and Publicly Accessible Location supports local health departments and their partners as they complete community health improvement process, including the conduct of a community health assessment and the development of community health improvement plan. Area of focus: provide public health professional, health and care providers, research and community-based leader in organization with both a science-based and practical guidance for engaging partner in project that may affect them. Health including reducing disparities in health outcomes regardless of whether you have been doing community health improve work for many years or are new to this procedure. Digital campaign content. Learn more about this. Partner actively encourage involvement in your implementation planning too. Implementation plan align with your organization, population, health management strategy and how to. Community of practice skill, primary and secondary divers, as well as specific intervention to which different community stakeholders can contribute that will achieve improvement in the priority area program logic, model help guide the theory and association underlying the population health driver diagram framework can be drew up as a actionable logic model. This framework details in the aim you are striving for, along with specific goals, primary drivers and secondary drivers in addition. Copy philosophy. You can pursue multiple approaches to address an identified need from the start. Define whether your strategy in a way of approaching many types of projects. Intervention to address population and community health can take place in a variety of levels, both in terms of aim and strategy, in addition to considering the level of intervention for you core produce community. To move the needles on community health, develop a comprehensive strategy that address multiple access of each other people of upper scale community center of priority. This requires thinking big picture of about the health in the hospital or health system or rule improving in wealth of evidence exists about the effectiveness of various approaches and intervention to guide your implementation strategy, and is possible to tailor the strategy while still addressing population health goals. Learning. Remote work software control. More information about program implementation option. Review study of various community. Development. Consider input from stakeholders to determine the potential effect of purpose, goal. Community if possible, work with community stakeholders to develop community-wide metrics to measure the collective impact. And the last, microcopy highlights. Button. Opportunity to tackle the most pressing health issues passing your community if possible, work with. Error page. The strategy will be unique to your community based on its need, the demographic of individual, the community capacity of the hospital, and the community partners. You team up by aware of how the culture and environment of your community. Tool tip. Evaluation can look at short and long-term outcomes as well as process metrics of outputs. Short-term measures are most likely, for example, how many people use a service or attend a program, where long-term outcomes will monitor. And then,